One of the new tools that I have gathered for the Georgia Agents Toolbox is the ability to run an Excel spreadsheet of commercial businesses of a specific type within a certain radius of your office. I was reminded of that this morning when I got this flyer from SIU talking about their garage and bond products. So let's use a garage as an example. I'll show you what happens if you want me to run a report for you. Just let me know. In this case, since we're talking about garage, Garage. Let's see, we'll filter it by, let's see, I think, yeah, let's go with car repair. I'm going to use, instead of Atlanta, I'm going to use the home of one of my favorite people. I'll just do Brunswick, Georgia. Let's just see within a radius of 31 miles, and we'll ask for up to 200 results. You click this and watch the magic. I don't know how many there are, but I can tell you that I can run this, export it, and send it to you, and you can track people on your own. If you wanted to run your own, let me show you. You can go to the FYI Express website, click on the Extreme Branding, and you can buy the software for a one-time payment of $47. But you don't have to do that if you are a member of the Georgia Agents Toolbox. So I hope this helps you out a lot, and thank you very much.